Mutongoi wa chama cha Patriotic from Dr.Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niwakulya nzama ya Usakuani na mivaka Iebc kwithiwa na Umilu maunduni ma Usakuani ayelesya kana myaka mingi ya Kenya methitwe matena muikiio na nzama ino. Kalonzo ingi ni wamikulya nzama ya Iebc kwiyungamia kuthukuma na Umilu na kwiyumilia na Umilu na ulawa uo vate kwendesya mawendi mamundu onomwe kisiasa ingi ni wona niwakulya kwa ni nzama ayelesya kana nzameno ndina Itwaiisye kusoma nesa kula kwi enende kumayelesya undu wa iseso ya kwiyandikithia ta akuni makura.
We had hoped the new commissioners would take office with a single-minded determination to restore IEB's credibility. But so far, the signs are not as reassuring as Kenyans deserve. It is time for the Commission to step up for the sake of our democracy, the sake of our country, our stability, and the faith of every voter. On the issue of voter registration, we have concerns. We are deeply concerned that the Iebc has not done enough to engage the public or provide the civic education necessary for a smooth and inclusive voter registration exercise. There are several issues we must raise. Number one, the introduction of iris scanning as a mandatory requirement was rolled out without talking to an NG or properly explaining how it works. From what we hear across the country, this new system may actually be putting people off from registering. Worse still, it has created a voter register with two different standards, some with iris data, some without, raising real questions about fairness and about consistency. Number two, limiting voter registration to constituency offices during working hours only and excluding weekends is unfair to many Kenyans. Workers, teachers, students, and young people simply cannot access these services in such a short window. Leaving registration kits open without clear safeguards risks misuse. The Commission must explain exactly what data these kits capture and ensure strict quality controls, including independent audits once registration closes. Number five, the transfer of voters must follow the law to the letter. Every transfer should begin with a written request from the voter and only proceed after full verification of residency and compliance with all legal requirements. We must, however, commend the Iebc Electoral Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee for finding both Aroko and Were responsible for inciting and allowing violence, with each fined $1 million shillings payable within 48 hours of the ruling, for calling out the perpetrators of the violence in Kasipul. And we, however, note that security elements have been deployed in excessive numbers in strategic places in an attempt to intimidate voters. This must be called out and stopped forthwith. On vigilance, we have noted with utter dismay, though not surprised, the outright abuse of state resources by public servants. By public servants doing this by electioneering cycle, in clear contravention of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, Articles 81 and 232.